First of all, we should remove the gut from the fridge, from the salt, and put in the water at a room temperature. In this way it will be soft and not salty. Now I will give the ingredient for a standard sausage. After you can add other ingredients I will mention you later. So 1 kilogram of pork meat, could be the shoulder, could be the leg, could be the neck, the meat that you find. 300 gram of belly, because we need fat. 26 gram of sea salt. You can use with iodium or without iodium. In this case it's not important because we don't preserve, we don't dry our sausage, but we cook directly on the stove, or if you have a space outside on the barbecue, even better. 4 gram of black pepper. After I will crush everything. Plus 150 gram of wine. In the wine I put 1 clove garlic. If you do this one day in advance, it's always better. I will use banana wine. You can use the wine that you can find in your place, or the wine that you have made following my video, like I'm doing now. If you don't want to use the wine, you can use the beer. If you don't like neither the wine nor the beer, you can use the water, don't worry. Now I will cut the meat in small pieces. This is why I do a small quantity, because I will use only the knife. If you want to do more, it's better if you have a meat grounder. And after I will add all the other ingredients. If you like spicy, you can add chili, you can add fennel, you can add onion if you like, you can add paprika, some other spices, a little bit of cinnamon, maybe I will add it. Here in Thailand they use a kind of curry or the leaf from the lime. Up to you. If you have some recipe that you want to share, write down in the comment, or some experience that you have in other countries tasting different kind of sausage. For example, I done another video with l'uomo di casa, so you can check here a different way to make the sausage with sweet pepper, sweet paprika, I don't know, the fresh one, but you can check here. So see you later. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now we should put the meat inside the gut. For this we will use a fennel, so you need to oil it a little bit. You can do also like this. Ta-da! And our sausage is ready. Very big one. Here I have other meat. With this ingredient we will get 3 of these, but I'm so eager to taste it, so I will finish later. Now we cut 2 pieces, the same dimension of the bread. In a pot I will put my homemade bacon. When the bacon is ready I remove the bacon, I put the sausage. When the sausage is ready I put the bread, and after on the bread I put only ketchup, mayonnaise, the bacon, maybe a little bit of cheese, and we can taste our sausage with our homemade beer. Spectacular. Remember that the best way to cook the sausage is the barbecue. Spectacular. And also with the homemade beer. You will see this video next week. Okay guys, if you try to make it, let us know down in the comment. If you have some recipe to share, please share with us. You can send me an email or you can write me here in the comment. If you have some advice, they are always welcome. Only one thing, if you cook in the bacon, maybe it's a little bit salty, but just a little, but with fresh homemade beer is perfect. Bye bye. Spectacular.